Hey y'all, it's Charlie, and today we're talking about the real story behind Mother's Day and how to celebrate Mama every day. So let's jump in. Y'all, did you know that Mother's Day was never meant to be about flowers and brunch lines? Bless it, we've been doing it all wrong. Let me tell you a story. Way back in the early 1900s, a gal named Anna Jarvis lost her sweet mama, Ann Reeves Jarvis. Now, Ann wasn't just any mama, she was a woman of faith who spent her days helping other mamas during the Civil War, setting up Mother's Day work clubs to improve health and hygiene. But sadly, after the war, she got sick and passed away. Well, Anna wanted the world to remember her mama's love and legacy, so she pushed hard to make Mother's Day a thing, and in 1914 President Woodrow Wilson signed it into law. But here's the kicker. Anna hated what it became. All the cards, the commercial mess, the flowers with price tags taller than your granny's beehive. Hairdo? Nope, she fought tooth and nail to take it back to what it was meant to be. A simple, heartfelt tribute to the women who raised us, fed us, prayed for us, and taught us to stand strong. Now listen, y'all, Mama deserves more than one day, so here's a few sweet and simple ways to celebrate her all year long. Write her a real letter, not a text. Put your heart on paper, make her breakfast, even if it's just toast and coffee. The gesture speaks volumes. Gift her something handmade, a pot holder, a painted jar, something. From the heart, call her just to say I love you, not just when you need her biscuit recipe. Help her out with something she hates doing. Clean that porch, pull those weeds. She'll notice, share her story, post a photo, tell a memory, or even make a little video of her life and legacy. So this Mother's Day, don't just grab a card and call it done. Honor her the way Anna Jarvis meant us to, with intentional love that goes beyond the gift bags and brunch menus. And if you're looking for a heartfelt, handmade gift with a story behind it, swing by my shop at CharleySueCreations LLC or find me on Etsy. Everything I make has a stitch of Southern charm and a whole lot of heart. Like, comment, and share this video with someone who needs a reminder to call their mama. And hey, if you're a mama yourself, you deserve to be celebrated today and every day. Don't you forget it. Love y'all big. See ya next time.